Hello guys, welcome to AYA Cosmetic Nigeria. If today is your first day you tuning into this channel, come on, please subscribe and share, like, click on the notification button so that you can get notified in case we upload any new video. Yes, in case you want to buy your organic ingredients or you want to buy your skincare recipe, please call out us. We sell every bit of skincare recipe, being organic or cosmetic. We sell all of them. All you just need to do, just call out us and we ship them to you wherever you are. We deliver them to you. If you're in abroad or you're in this country, we ship them or we deliver all of your order to you. Being in the US, Canada, UK, being in Asia country, anywhere, any part of the world, all of the Africa country, yes, as people call out us every day by day. So also we deliver, we supply them. So any skincare ingredient you need to buy, call out AYA Cosmetic Nigeria. We will definitely answer you. Okay, today what I will be looking at, guys, I almost forgot. I told you that I've been working on a site that whereby we all can be doing a live chat. You can be asking me your question live and direct. Yes, I'm working on a site that way, so it wouldn't be like you drop a message on the comment box, we haven't answered you, or you haven't answered me yet. You can just ask me on the live chat while I reply you immediately. I tell you, and again, our baby lotion is coming out soon. Our baby lotion is coming out soon. So for those of you who have baby who love their baby to rub good cream, good lotion, yes, our lotion, the cream is almost ready. That we'll be launching it out for the sake of our baby. So trust me, it's a good one, it's a good move. Quickly today, what are we looking at? I've once thought about how to make use of your tubes. Are you getting it? So today I want to teach you how you can make use of your serum. Yes, serum, because some people, they don't just know how to make use of their serum. Some people want to use as they see serum, they want to apply the serum to their skin. That way, don't expect those serum to whiten you. So let's go into the video properly. Stay tuned. So people basically, they think of to be applying industrial serums to their body thinking it will whiten them. No, this you can apply, applying serum to your body. There are some industrial serum that you can apply to the body, but not in all cases, because there are some serums, oils that are meant for mixing with base. You have to mix them for you to get their full potential before you can use it. So okay, let me show you one serum. This is look at it on your screen. Glutacic concentrate. Are you getting it? Look at it on your screen. You're seeing it fine. So glutacic concentrate is meant to be mixed with a base. You understand? Listen, please. It's meant to be mixed with a base. You don't use glutacic concentrate like that. Now if you want to mix it, you want to mix your glutacic concentrate with cream, mix it with 100 ml of cream. Or if you're going for 200 or 500 ml of cream, you should also have tube that you're gonna use to boost the effect. You can't just use serum alone to whiten your body and base. No, most times steroids push up the effect, activate the effect. The only thing that activates the skin, that tune the skin, is steroids, as you know. Are you getting it? Something that contains steroid and will not alter the skin. Are you getting it? For me, I don't like ibuprofen. No, it brightens more, but the side effect is too much. Are you getting it? So that is glutacic. It's get to be mixed with your cream, not direct. Okay, another serum again we're talking about is Amos White. Look at your screen. You see the way it's small. Amos product, they are very small. You see, so the thing is good. If you apply it to your cream, fine. It's gonna make you white. Are you getting it? According to the name, it's gonna make you white if you don't apply it directly to your skin direct. Unless you're gonna add almond oil and some other oils, but even though you still do that, you still need to put it on your cream. You still need to put in your cream to activate it. Are you getting it? All right, we have our nationwide. You can see it's very small, but I love it. Anytime I use my whitening product like I Promix, I always want to add nationwide. It's pretty nice. It works for all skin, and it's meant to be mixed with base cream, not just applying to yourself. Please. Okay, the same thing goes to Gluta-C. You can see it. Gluta-C is also meant to be mixed with a cream. Please and please, it's just for glowing, not for whitening. It works better for glowing rather than whitening, but it dries out in time. So if you want it to be more effective, add oil to it, add it to your cream, and you getting it. It will be very, very super. Okay, we have our goji berry also. It's also a whitening serum. Yes, whitening. Please don't use it directly. Please. I know a lot of people want to use it directly to their skin. No, please mix it with a base. It's meant to be mixed with a base cream. Yes. If you want it to be more active, then you tweak it with some steroid also. Yes, before you see to make it effective. Okay, fine. Skin Perfector serum is a typical example. A serum you can use. You can use it on its own. You can use it to your skin. You can use it in your hand, anywhere. It corrects everything. Yeah, it corrects everything. It needs to be correct. Actually, nice. Just a glowing oil, no more. Are you getting? Yes, it doesn't whitening, so that you can use it alone. Yes, Rev. This one is a concentrate. You know, it actually meant to be mixed with your base, with your big cream, because you want to achieve whitening. This is not a cleanser. It's meant to be mixed with your cream. Yes, it will work very well when you mix it with your base. Yes, mix with a powerful, smooth, nice cream. Also, it will always help. Mix it with the right cream of your choice. It will always work. And I told you, if you want it to be more effective, you tweak it with a steroid. Don't apply it to your body direct. All right, for the last one, we have Jelly Tonic. You know, Jelly Tonic. A lot of you all know Jelly Tonic. In order to glow the skin, I intend to add Jelly Tonic. You know, it does wonders a lot. It's quite pricey, you know, but not that pricey, you know. For glowing, fine. It's not for whitening. Don't think so. I don't tell you it's whitening. It's glowing. Add it to your cream. Yes, add it to your cream to make it mwah. Before you know it, you're good to go. A lot of people don't understand the reason why I always add it to my cream if I'm Promixing, because it always make your skin glowing. So guys, you know, at least with all this you've gotten, you can always have this in your mind that this is how I want to mix, this is how I want to Promix, this is what I should use. Are you getting it? Because don't just go do things that you don't know or have no idea on, and you do that because some other persons they do some other people they do it and they work for them, but you don't know how. I mean, you don't know the knowledge they've gotten. So end of the class, don't forget what I always tell you, that yes, we're about launching our baby lotion. There's a lotion that you can use, you can buy for your kids, and it's all skin type. It doesn't mean this one is for that person. No, it's just a lotion for the kids. You get to make their skin look bam glowing and all that. So trust me on this one. if you want to buy your skincare materials, you want to buy your skincare recipe, you want to buy your skincare organic ingredient, and getting all your cosmetic, be it wherever you are, in abroad or in this country, you be in any of the African country or in America, Canada, Europe, Asia, name it, wherever you are, just call at us via the number on your screen. We'll always get you what you need. Yeah, we ship everywhere, worldwide. That's who we are. AYA Cosmetic Nigeria, for real. It's not a story. They don't tell you story. What you pay for, you get. Yes, we don't have problem in shipping at all, in delivering at all. We ship all the way from Nigeria down to wherever you are. And again, I tell you that I'm creating a link that whereby we can be chatting live and direct, and you can ask your question. A lot of people ask me questions in the comment box, and I see a lot of questions that never been attended to, because not blame us, because we're quite busy also. You don't know, we be crowded all day, you know, even some of the night we keep working, you know. So it's real talk. So if you have any question, we can interact live and direct, you know. So we've gone to the end of the class. Don't forget to subscribe, like if today is your first time, and share, click on the notification button. So if you're a returning subscriber, please share and share and share. God bless you.